5 things you need to know about neck lift. 1. Definition. What is a neck lift? A neck lift is a procedure to lift the neck or to shrink the tissues and correct the deformity, which may be due to a combination of factors, including a congenital fat pad and overweight and aging. 2. How is a young neck lift different than an older one? Well, young usually meaning less than 40 years of age. There will be excessive fat is the primary problem, and this can be partly liposuctioned if the fat is above the muscle, but necessitates a small incision under the chin if it's a large fat pad under the muscle. But both of these can be accomplished without a facelift. 3. On older patients, the problem is usually different. They still may have the fat underneath the muscle and above the muscle, but the problem is the skin, because we can take out the fat in both positions, but if the skin has lost elasticity, then the skin will hang, even though the muscle may be repositioned correctly. 4. The repair. The repair is different for the younger patient, less than 40 years of age, and the older, greater than 50 years of age. The younger patient does not need skin excision, and so liposuction with a small 1-inch incision can be enough. In contrast to an older patient, particularly over 50, where an excision of the redundant skin needs to take place, and this is usually done around the ears, which usually means a facelift. 5. Choosing a surgeon. How do you find a surgeon who's qualified to do a neck lift and who can differentiate between the need for a facelift and neck lift? First, you request the doctor to see if he can do this procedure in the hospital. The hospital will credential every surgeon who does the procedures to see if they're qualified, have the experience, and are board certified in the correct board. In the office, any surgeon, doctor can do any procedure legally, and they may not be qualified. So if the surgeon says that he can do it in the hospital, then it's probably okay to do it anywhere because he's been credentialed. These are the 5 things you need to know about neck lift.